In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to authenticate and verify domains in Systeme.io. If you've ever wanted to boost your email delivery rates, verifying your domain is a crucial step. So let's dive in and guide you through the process. First, let's head over to the Systeme.io dashboard. This is your starting point for managing all your settings and configurations within the platform. To get there, simply open your preferred web browser and log into your Systeme.io account. Once you're inside the dashboard, locate your profile icon. You'll find it conveniently positioned at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a drop-down menu where you can access various account settings. In the drop-down menu, you'll want to select Settings. This option takes you to a page where you can manage different aspects of your account, including email settings. Now, take a look at the left-hand menu. You'll see several options listed there. Click on Emails. This is where you'll manage your email configurations, which is crucial for ensuring that your communications are delivered successfully. Once you're in the Emails section, look for a link or button that says, "Click here to authenticate your domain," and display its information in your email header, which will help improve your email delivery rates. This feature is essential because it helps establish your domain as a trusted sender, making it less likely for your emails to end up in your recipient's spam folders. Now you'll be prompted to add your domain name. Enter the domain you want to authenticate carefully. After you've entered it, be sure to click Save. This action initiates the authentication process. Keep in mind that this step may require you to make some changes to your domain's DNS settings outside of Systeme.io, depending on your domain provider's requirements. Following these adjustments, it might take some time for the changes to propagate across the internet. And that's it. You've successfully initiated the domain authentication and verification process in Systeme.io. Remember, this process not only boosts your email delivery rates, but also enhances your sender reputation, ensuring that your emails reach their intended recipients efficiently. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Systeme.io's support for assistance. They're there to help you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and now you're all set to enjoy improved email performance with your authenticated domain. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tips. Happy emailing!